Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up and replaced the water pump that you see right here. This water pump is from 2007, so it definitely needs replacement. So what we did on the tune-up, we replaced the O-ring from the machine, from the generator, the one that is located there, right inside up there. We replaced the infuser. This is the older one. And yeah, we also deep clean the spouts and just give it good service, general tune-up on the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the steam and then the hot water. Grinding perfectly fine. Good. Sorry. That's perfect. Good crema, good color, good water flow coming out of the machine. And now for the steam. Hot water, sorry. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature and excellent pressure. And now for the steam. As you can see, steaming properly, very strong, working beautifully. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica, working perfectly fine. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.